How to add Bitmoji pages on Snapchat. Watch the video till the end so that you will know how to add Bitmoji pages on Snapchat. Without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open a Snapchat app. Make sure to sign in on your Snapchat account. Once you appear on this page, you need to select the map icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you reach on the map section, select the year icon at the top right corner in order to access your map settings page. And once you reach on the settings page, you will be able to see an option right here to view where your Bitmoji pets. If you don't find this option here, then before that make sure that you are the subscribers or the Snapchat Plus subscribers or the members of Snapchat, then only you will be able to find that option here. For that, you simply need to get back from this page and select the Bitmoji at the top left corner. And on this page at the top, you will be able to see the Snapchat Plus option. Select it. And once you're on the Snapchat Plus members, then only you'll be able to launch pages in chat or add Bitmoji pages on Snapchat. For that, you can simply select the next button, and after following some procedures, you can be Snapchat Plus members. And here at the top, you will see the option of pages in chat. This will show off your page when you are present in chat. So if you are the members, then you can easily using this icon you can add Bitmoji pages on Snapchat. So in this way you can make available or make the feature available by being the members on Snapchat Plus. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates.